What is going on, guys? Static Leo here. So today we're gonna be going live to choose a giveaway winner. Good luck to everyone, and here we go. All right, so I got everybody's name right here that entered. I'm gonna copy them and then I'll go through them on the other website. If your order hasn't been shipped, your name is still in the list. This is gonna take a while. I already talked. I'm going through all the names. I gotta copy them to put them on the other website.
That's right. TurboTax free is free. Free.
Hello.
estrellas en un santo, las mujeres más hermosas por un lado, nada en esta vida es fácil, batallamos.
Alright, I'm about to copy him.
Ya se escuchan las mentiras, las envidias y amenazas. No se han superado, siempre hablan, se viven de las movidas de la raza. Ya seguimos, pero para adelante, compa, que hay niveles. Seguiremos trabajando si se puede, disfrutando de la vida y sus placeres.
Alright, so I got all the names in here.
At Circle K, $1 can get you the freshest cup of coffee in the world right now. And now, and now. See, every cup of Circle K coffee is ground fresh, right when you want it. That means for a teeny tiny perfect second, your cup is actually honestly fresher than any other. So, whether you're craving coffee now or now, you'll get the freshest cup in the world at Circle K. Every cup ground fresh, starting at $1.
If I go through all of them, it's gonna take forever, but they're all in there. So y'all ready? Fuck. Alright, I'm about to click it. 1, 2, 3. This is a winner. Where you at? Alright, so I'm gonna call him right now. So y'all stay tuned for tonight's video. Thanks to everybody that participated. And if you didn't win, don't worry. I'm gonna do another one real soon. Peace. Alright guys, so this is the winner. I just went through all the names on Instagram Live. And I'm gonna be calling him right now. So we're about to call him. Got his number right here. Let's see what's up.
Hello?
Is this Chris?
This is me.
Hey bro, you won the single cab.
Ya lo miré, bro. Dude, damn, wait. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, I seen that you only bought a shirt.
I'm about a decal and 2 shirts. Y apenitas hoy me llegó la última shirt, la white shirt.
Oh, yeah, that's the one I saw, the white one.
Yeah, apenitas me llegó. Le dije a mi girl, voy a ver qué tanto de lot tengo. Voy a ordenar. Y luego fue when I got it. I was like,
Yeah.
I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, bro, you won.
Somos de aquí del barrio, como quiera.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen that you're from Houston también. So that's pretty good. When do you want to come pick it up or what?
We can, whenever you want to.
I gotta set up the tent and all that, and you know how it's been raining. I don't know when the water's gonna go. Well, congrats, bro.
No sé ni qué decir, güey. No sé ni qué decir, bro.
Yeah, I know. I bet.
Yeah.
Well,
Yo te aviso mañana tempranito, como a las 9.
yeah, just text me.
Alright.
Alright, bro, bet. Alright, guys, so I just got off the phone with the giveaway winner. Congrats to Chris for winning the truck giveaway. He is gonna be coming by tomorrow to pick it up, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so the truck giveaway winner is on his way. So I'm gonna get the tent set up and everything. He's about an hour away, so that gives me a little bit of time to do it. And here she is. She's getting ready. She's ready to go. Gonna miss it a lot. Was a really fun truck to build. Had a lot of fun building it. Honestly, I don't need so many trucks. I just do it because I love fixing trucks up. And I also love blessing one of my viewers. Like I said, if you didn't win this time, don't feel bad. There's another truck giveaway coming really soon, and then you could be the lucky one. Alright guys, so I got everything set up. Just waiting on the winner to come pick up his new truck. Today we got the caddy under here because I don't got no other trucks here to put under there. But she's still sick. ¿Qué onda, bro? ¿Cómo andas o qué? Yeah. Ahí está.
Ahí está la mamalona, ahora sí.
Mira, préndela si quieres. Sí. Ahí está. ¿Cómo la miras?
Está bien. Está con madre la güey.
Tiene fog lights también. Ahí está. Aquí está el título.
¿Es el título de ella?
Ya, nomás que necesitas cambiarlo de nombre, yo nunca lo cambié. Ahí está firmado. Por el otro dueño.
No, que por el otro dueño. Ahí está la prueba.
Ya.
Para los que no creían, ahí está. Estaban dice, jamás, hable y hable.
Ya, ahí está.
Palabra es palabra. No te digan.
Nomás cuídala porque se la roban, ya sabes.
No, es el pedo.
Sí.
Bueno, si la otra también.
Well guys, there she goes. There she goes. Well guys, the red single cab is gone. Thanks once again to everybody that participated, and congrats once again on Chris on winning the truck. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.